Welcome back, it's Chris from the Hagon factory. So this week's video, B31 BSA engine that Peter Stevens has been working on with the old man. It's coming up fantastic. Pete's doing a wonderful job. I've got updates on the 500 Velocette Hagon clutch that the old man's been working on. He's sorted that out, it's done a great job. So that'll be great to see that up and running again. And we've got a couple of ads. We've got the Lanelli swap meet. It's on in March next year. Don't forget the December swap meet is off. It's cancelled this year. So keep watching this program on YouTube and I'll keep you updated on what's happening there. And we've got the Black Swan. There's an ad for that as well. They've got music on Sundays in September. And I've heard a bit of a rumour that the Bendigo Historic Motorcycle Club and the Vintage Motorcycle Club of Melbourne are going to meet there on one of the Sundays in September. So I'll let you know what the date is for that so you can come down and have a look at all the bikes. It'll be a great day. So let's have a look at the video.
Pulled the oil pump apart yesterday and I've had a soak overnight in some degreaser and cleaned it up a fair bit. I'm going to rub these faces over some 2000 paper I've got to I reckon you can see where the gears have rubbed into that surface. So I'll try to reduce that. It's on both these flat plates that go either side of the body. The body, because the gears are inside it, any wear is in the bottom of that. So I didn't realise it was a two-stage pump until I got it apart. You can see the differences in the width of the gears. For those of you familiar with BSAs, probably know all this anyway. I'm not that familiar with them at all, so I'd imagine that's the primary pump. That'd be the pump that had sucked the oil out of the sump, and then when it built it up to a pressure, it transfers it into the second stage, and that uses a smaller pump and a smaller set of gears. I might be totally wrong, but it's just what I'm not imagining, but just what I perceive to be happening. So I'm going to try and, like I say, rub those faces down, and I'll see what happens. The oil pump's all back together and fitted in. It was fairly easy to do. Things just didn't want to fit, were tight. So this here is a little plug that goes down and engages in this gear down here to stop it falling out. That was as tight as in the hole, so I put that in the lathe, gave it a clean up. Everything works as it should. The oil pump, just give that a spin around. The oil pump pumps, put oil in it, and so all that seems to be good. Tomorrow I'll fit the wherever that is, fit the cam followers back in, and then the next stage will be the cam timing when we get the barrel done. That's it for now.
Okay, what I'm actually doing is I'm making a tool so that I can compress the springs and put the valves back in. This is what it's going to be like.
This is for the B31.
This is only for the boozer. I've got to cut it down here and then across there. I've got to cut a square out of each side, so you got some
collets in.
So we get somewhere to put the collets in, and I'll make a little bush and drop in there for the end of the G clamp to go into.
Yeah, yep.
And that should be a big help to get those back in, because they're down in a hole.
In a long way,
And a little bit hard to get to.
Yep.
Yeah, I remember they were a bit of a job to get them out. It's always easier to get them out than get them back in. So I've cut through there, and then I'll do the same a bit up from the bottom, and that'll make a nice window in there to pop the collets back in.
Yeah.
But that's about all I'm up to with that at the moment.
So we'll have a chat to Pete and see where he's up to.
Yeah, we will. We'll have a chat with Pete and see how he's going. He's talking about cam timing and so on. So I've got a book there that explains boozer single cam timing. So I'll take that over to Pete's and we'll film a bit more over there.
Right, let's go over there.
And
they've been modified.
You'll get conflicting ideas, you know.
Yeah, well, all I've been doing is winding it in the direction of rotation. But what you'll see when you get it up to top dead centre, there. I'll get me a little headlight. Has that got the marks there, or is it another one?
Must be another lap, I think.
Another lap.
Yeah.
Might be one more lap. Yeah, that's more like it. Yeah, so it's got a stroke on there, isn't it?
Yeah. Is that what's there?
Yeah. Well, for what I can see, Tim, I've lost me good glasses. I'm using these buggered ones. And you've got a dot and a dot. Well, what does that say?
I just wonder whether, it'd be interesting to see what the duration of the two. And look at that. Look, there you go. Don't even have to look.
Yep.
65, 25, 25.
Yeah.
So the cams are the same.
They're the same.
The cams are the same.
Cams are the same. Yeah.
So are they?
It's interchangeable.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Right.
Yeah.
Have you sort of had a look at when it first starts to open? When the inlet?
Well,
when the inlet?
It does do like a real slow.
I'll have a ramp on the cam.
Yeah, ramp up,
so
and then all of a sudden it bolts. I'll just do it as slow as I can. Oh, there's one going. So it starts to go, and then it yeah, but
yeah, you should get movement here.
Yeah,
at about 25 degrees before top dead centre, shouldn't you?
Well, so it's coming up now.
Yeah. So you'd have to have the top of the valve at about 25. Yeah. Mate, you're right into this. Look at this.
Excellent.
Yeah, no, it is. It's excellent, all right. Yeah, can't wait to get the barrel back. Should have it back probably in about a week or so.
Yep.
Well, that's interesting that like how they've made them both the same.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
They do that on the Triumphs and stuff, don't they?
Yeah, Triumph Twins, you can put 2 exhaust cams or something in a Triumph.
Yeah, well, the exhaust cam used to be a wilder profile on the inlet, and you used to put 2 exhausts and make it go better.
31, 34 cams. Yeah. That's
what was it, 21, 34?
31, 34.
Oh, 31, 34.
34 cams,
Yeah.
That's what they used to do with their Bonnies.
Yeah.
They always put the exhaust, we've got another exhaust can put in the inlet. An instant more power.
Yeah.
But that one you just put together, it's got the same cams.
It's got 31, 34, isn't it? Yeah.
Hi, and welcome to the Black Swan Hotel, Bendigo's premier bike pub. We're open from Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, noon till close. Roar in for a drink and a pizza. See you then.
Righto, so I've been playing around with the clutch on this. I've made up a new push rod for the clutch, and I've had it all apart, and I've fixed up a few what I call faults with it. I've given the lever on this side, which we'll be able to see. That now comes out on that angle, which gives you a lot of mechanical advantage, and it also gives you more travel on the push rod. I've spaced the springs out a little bit on this side to get a little bit of tension off the springs, because it was very heavy, and we've put a new pivot assist lever on here, which makes the clutch feel quite light.
Yeah, it's fantastic and smooth.
And it's as smooth as, and if we might be able to film this, Chris, we might be able to film the clutch actually. Can you actually see the clutch going in and out?
Yeah, we can. Yep.
Okay. You can see that it is actually
Yep.
going in and out, and we can put it into gear. It's now in first gear, and now it's free.
Yeah, excellent.
So I think that's could be good.
So we'll have to give her a fire up and take for a ride.
Yeah.
So hopefully we'll do that in the next few weeks.
I hope so.
Yeah. Good job.
Yeah,
Fantastic.
Yep, so we'll just see how that does work.
Looks good, the old girl, doesn't it?
Oh no, she's a good looking bike. She's a beautiful old bike. Your first effort, and it looks really, really good.
Yeah, no, it's coming across. Righto, same as every other week. If you like what you see, like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell everybody. Let's bring Hagon's back.